Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to divide a whole number with a fraction. So let's say we have 5 divided by 1/3. Well, how would we solve this? Well, before we learn how to divide a whole number with a fraction, we first need to know how to multiply fractions. So to multiply fractions, let's say we have 1/2 times 1/3. What we're going to do is to find our numerator, we multiply both numerators. So 1 times 1 is 1. And to find our denominator, we multiply both denominators. So 2 times 3 is 6. So as you can see, that's really simple. Let me give you guys another one. Try 2 over 3 times 4 over 7. Well, again, we multiply our numerators, so I get 8. And then we multiply our denominators, so I get 21. 8 over 21. So now that we know how to multiply fractions, now we can learn how to divide fractions. So what I'm going to do is first start with, say, 1/2 divided by 5 over 3. So to divide this we actually have to rewrite this in multiplication form. So to rewrite this is going to be the same thing. So we keep 1/2 the same. And then we're going to change our sign to multiplication. And then 5 over 3, we're going to change to 3 over 5. So 1/2 divided by 5 over 3 is the same thing as 1/2 times 3 over 5. And what we're doing is, obviously we're changing this to multiplication, but then we change 5 over 3 to its reciprocal. And reciprocal is just these two places swapped. So now 1/2 times 3 over 5 is simple. Again, because we already know to multiply fractions. 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 5 is 10. So I get 3 over 10. So let's do one more, and then we'll get to this. So let's try 3 over 2 divided by 7 over 5. So now, again, we keep this the same, and we change our sign to multiplication, and now we write the reciprocal of this. 7 over 5, the reciprocal of that is 5 over 7. And 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 7 is 14. So our answer is 15 over 14. And we can also write this as 1 and 1/14. Because this is a mixed number, we're just writing it, or sorry, this is an improper fraction, so we're writing it as a mixed number. So now, let's get to 5 divided by 1/3. So, as you all probably know, 5 is the same thing as 5 over 1. So now I get 5 over 1 divided by 1 over 3, and you guys know how to do this. This is equal to 5 over 1 times 3 over 1, which is equal to 15 over 1, which is just equal to 15. So it's that simple. These are even simpler than just dividing two fractions. So let me give you guys another one. Let's do 7 divided by 2/3. So I want you guys to pause the video and try this. All right, so now for the explanation. This turns into 7 times 3 over 2, and which is the same thing as 7 over 1 times 3 over 2. 7 times 3 is 21. 1 times 2 is just 2. So I get 21 over 2 as my answer. So as you can see, this concept is really simple. And if you're still struggling, just practice these more.